Today I'm going to show you how to build this pipe desk with simple hand tools for under $100. Let's do it. Hey everybody, today we're going to build a DIY pipe desk. This design costs less than $100 to build, and you can easily customize it to your exact need. It goes together with just some simple hand tools, no workshop, no power tools needed, and you can build it anywhere. Let's take a look at the materials we're going to need. We've got this beautiful pine tabletop that we got for less than $30. And the bottom structure is going to be made out of 3/4 inch EMT conduit. We've pre-cut all the pipes with this pipe cutter, and if you need help knowing how to do that, we've linked a video here. Everything's going to be connected with these maker pipe connectors. They go together with just a 5mm Allen wrench, and I've got some other accessories here, and I'll show you those as we get building. Everything's linked down below, and we've got free plans if you want to build this yourself. Let's get started. Okay, we made quick work of building the bottom frame. All the connections are made, and we even added these plastic feet so we don't scratch the floors. The last thing we've got to do is take this top and attach it to the frame. So to do that, we're going to use these one-hole straps and put in by those screws right there. All right, let's finish it off. All right, take a look. It is all finished. It looks fantastic. I'm really pleased with how it came out. If you want to build this exact design, there'll be plans in the description down below. Or for inspiration, check out the video roundup we did on desk. There's a lot of great customization, a lot of great ideas there. Thanks everyone. We'll see you next time.